Here is a step-by-step guide on how to best clean your microwave. Dried on food splatters can make your heating cycles less efficient. Using a natural steam method, we can lift stubborn grime and avoid using harsh chemicals where you prepare your food. To clean your microwave, you'll need a microwave-safe bowl, dish soap, 2 lemons and a microfiber. Step 1. Slice the lemon and squeeze the juice into the bowl of water. Drop the lemons in too. The citric acid helps break down the grease and leaves your microwave smelling fresh. Place the bowl inside the microwave and run it on high for 3 to 5 minutes until the water is boiling and the steam is built up on the window. Don't open the door immediately once that's done. Allow it to sit for a further 2 minutes to allow the steam to penetrate the grime. Carefully remove the hot bowl. Now with a microfiber cloth, wipe down the interior of the microwave. The steam should have loosened everything, so it should wipe off easily, including on the roof and the rotating plate. Finish by wiping down the exterior. Make sure you do the keypad and the door. They're high touch areas and benefit from a daily wipe. How do I prevent my microwave from getting dirty again? The easiest way to do that is by using a vented microwave cover every time you heat food, which catches splatters so you don't need to deep clean as often. I hope these tips help you get your home looking its absolute best. If you'd like to see more expert cleaning advice, follow our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and save for later. Or jump onto Airtasker, post a task and have a tasker come out today.